another video and I'm not speaking very loudly because it's currently stairs. I'm at the stairs, so I'll just knock the door and visit my auntie's house, probably. Okay, I'm entering the home. I mean the apartment, not flat, because I'm now speaking in American accent. So first of all, I'd like to show you the living room. Here's the living room, quite pretty and cozy. And over there, if you could see, there is a TV. If you see here, a TV. And over there, you can watch and relax by your own. But probably it's a guest type of environment. So yep, over there, there is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
But it's not my home, it's my auntie's home, so you can guess. So probably it is the sofa or the couch. Again, remember, don't be a couch potato, because couch potato actually means to be a lazy person, right? Over there, if you go, so today is 21st February, our International Mother Language Day of Bangladesh. So probably I'm wearing, black and white dress.
Your uncle?
So probably here.
Your uncle
Over
is
there is my uncle. Hi.
Yes.
Hi, uncle. Hi. Probably over there. Over there, if I go, there is a dining table environment. So they're speaking Bengali, so you won't understand what they're talking about. Probably you can dine here actually and spend time with your family and friends. Another interesting thing I'd like to show you is about this.
Very beautiful things there.
No, this is very aesthetic environment.
What is
you
called?
can see this is an aquarium and
Aquarium,
probably
right.
there is fishes, goldfishes and other things. But they're just afraid of me, I think. So they're
Beautiful
just
fishes,
not
huh?
handing aesthetic fish. Aesthetic
Okay.
is an advanced vocabulary of beautiful. Mind about that. Okay, so if I go right here, you can see plastic flowers. These are not the real one. It's plastic, right?
And there is a
Over
wall
there,
bed is
there is
here.
a bedroom. Over there, if I go, there is a bedroom. I mean the room. Over there, you can see the old mirror or the cupboard. Over there, here is the mirror. I'm shooting video right in front of mirror. If I go there, there is a side table. Let me show you. There is a side table. And over there, if I go, there is a small bed where you can sleep in. Probably. There is an mirror and a cupboard. Over there, you can see photos of everything. There is my dad again. Okay. So if I show you the balcony, it's quite dark because I'm shooting the video when it's evening. You can see there is a very big balcony. I mean the largest balcony ever, I think. Probably. You see? Yep, I couldn't show you these probably because it's evening time, right? Over there, I'll go to another room and show you. There is a clock over there. Let me show you. Another room is locked, but probably it is the sink and everything. Over there, there is a kitchen. There is the kitchen, filters and everything you can see here. Cupboard, kitchen cabinet. Let me show you another thing, okay? There is a certificate of my elder brother, cousin. May I come in? No? Still I'm making video, but it's not allowing me to. He's studying right now, so I can't enter the room. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, press the like button and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like and ding and comment down below and like it. But today's surprise of the video is probably we're gonna learn a vocabulary, not a vocabulary, an idiom. But the idiom is about that when you're not feeling well, you say under the weather. And another thing is that the idiom I meant is over the moon. Over the moon and wet bananas, that actually says about your excitement and your happiness, this type of thing that describes an over the moon or wet bananas. See you in the next video. Bye y'all.